Mission accomplished. You've finally found that special vehicle that fits your personality, driving style, and comfort. Now that you've taken delivery, keeping it looking sharp is about as important as having it run well. You take your car into the dealer for routine maintenance and repairs, but what about those irritating dents, dings, curb rash, windshield chips, and carpet stains? With a Radiant Ride warranty, you can have those repaired as well. Radiant Ride's cosmetic care program will fix dings, interior tears, or stains when you bring your car in for its regular service. The warranty also provides leather vinyl repair, cosmetic wheel repair, and headlight restoration.
When I got my car back, it looks great, like new.
We appreciate it. Toyota Modesto, you guys did a great job in Radiant Ride. Thank you so much. From our family to yours.
Well, I just want to thank Modesto Toyota and Radiant Ride. They did a nice repair job. I'm very satisfied with it. They did excellent work.
Why do you like Radiant Ride?
I enjoy the convenience and preserving the value of the vehicle.
So when you're signing the final papers on that beautiful car, make sure you include the Radiant Ride warranty. You'll be happy you did. Add Radiant Ride to your new car lease or purchase and enjoy the convenience and peace of mind it delivers.